Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your draft videos on YouTube. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the YouTube. So you simply need to update your YouTube application and click on open. So once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on this icon and record a video. So once video is recorded, you simply need to click on this X icon, and here you can see different options: delete, save and exit, and cancel. So click on save and exit. And now I'm going to open YouTube after some time, and I am not know where's my video gone. So there is an option here, as you can see. So I simply need to click on this plus icon, and here you can see continue your draft video. So I want to continue from my draft video. So you simply need to click on continue, and you can use that draft video. So this is the process by which you can use draft video on YouTube. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.